Now I'm gonna explain about the audio settings in DJI Ronin 4D. So to do that, you go to menu, you need to be on the recording and then go to audio, and here you have channel 1 and channel 2 source. So it have internal mics which are main mic left and main mic right. In case you want to use any external device, what you can do is you can come on channel 1 source and you can say 3.5 mm mic left. So you have the audio jack on the side which it will look for the left, and you can assign that to right as well. And then here, in case you want to use your audio jack for the time code, you come here and you click if you want it to be for audio input or for sync time code. So it's saying it's not working, check settings, because it doesn't have any external input for now. So I'll keep it on audio input. So this is where you set your time code settings in case you wanted to know. And then in case you wanna increase or decrease the levels on both the channels, you can do it here. And this is pretty much it about the audio settings in Ronin 4D.